Have you ever gazed upon the night sky, wondering if we are truly alone in the universe? This question has been a subject of human curiosity for millennia, sparking countless theories and debates. One of the most intriguing propositions that has emerged from this cosmic curiosity is the RingMakers of Saturn theory. This theory, as fascinating as it is controversial, suggests that the stunning rings of Saturn may not be a mere natural phenomenon, but the work of extraterrestrial intelligence. It's a theory that has sparked intense discussion and speculation, not only among conspiracy theorists, but also among serious researchers and academics. Today, we're going to probe this cosmic unknown, exploring the origins, the evidence, and the critiques of the RingMakers of Saturn theory. So, prepare to embark on an interstellar journey as we delve into the enigmatic RingMakers of Saturn theory. Our story begins with the discovery of Saturn's mesmerizing rings. These celestial halos have intrigued astronomers and laymen alike for centuries. The early telescopic observations of Saturn's rings date back to the 17th century, when Galileo Galilei first glimpsed this mysterious planetary feature. But it was only with the dawn of the 20th century that our understanding of these rings took a dramatic twist. Enter the RingMakers theory. This audacious idea emerged amidst a growing fascination with extraterrestrial life and the possibility of advanced alien civilizations. The theory proposed that these weren't just natural formations, but products of sophisticated construction. The architects? Non-human entities, harnessing the raw materials of Saturn's moons to create these vast ring structures. The roots of this theory can be traced back to the works of two influential figures, Norman R. Bergrun and Richard C. Hoagland. Bergrun, a former NASA scientist, published a book in the early 1980s titled The RingMakers of Saturn. His work suggested that some of the anomalies observed in the rings were proof of alien engineering. Then we have Richard C. Hoagland, a former NASA consultant and science writer. He breathed new life into the RingMakers theory with his provocative interpretations of space imagery. Hoagland argued that certain features of Saturn's rings, such as the mysterious spokes, were evidence of artificial construction. These two figures, with their bold ideas and compelling narratives, planted the seeds of the RingMakers theory. Their work sparked a flurry of debate and speculation, drawing in a diverse pool of believers and skeptics. The idea that Saturn's rings might be the work of alien artisans was certainly controversial, but it was also undeniably captivating. This was a theory that dared to challenge conventional wisdom. It invited us to look at the cosmos with fresh eyes, to consider the tantalizing possibility of extraterrestrial intelligence. And so the RingMakers theory took root, growing into an enduring part of our speculative cosmology. Thus, a seed was planted, sprouting a theory that would challenge our understanding of the cosmos. Now, let's delve deeper into the intriguing hypotheses that form the backbone of this theory. Imagine, if you will, colossal structures, colossal beyond human comprehension, being constructed around the sixth planet from our sun. These structures, as some theorists propose, are not naturally occurring rings of ice and rock, but instead are the result of advanced alien technology. Extraterrestrial engineers, they suggest, are using the raw materials of Saturn's rings and its many moons to build something on a cosmic scale. What that something is, however, remains a tantalizing mystery. This theory is not just born out of wild speculation, but is built upon a foundation of puzzling observations and unexplained phenomena. For instance, certain features of Saturn's rings seem to defy our current understanding of physics and cosmology. There are anomalies, oddities that seem to suggest that something more than just gravitational forces is at play. Then we have the photographic evidence, images captured by our robotic explorers and distant telescopes. Some of these photos show strange objects that do not fit within our current understanding of Saturn's ring system. These objects, theorists suggest, could be evidence of alien construction projects or perhaps even the RingMakers themselves. To be sure, these hypotheses are controversial, and many in the scientific community remain skeptical. But the proponents of the RingMakers of Saturn theory argue that these anomalies cannot be easily dismissed and warrant further investigation. They contend that we must keep an open mind and consider all possibilities, no matter how outlandish they may seem. After all, As we venture further into the cosmos, we must be prepared to encounter the unexpected, to challenge our preconceived notions, and to embrace the mystery and wonder of the universe. And if this theory is correct, then we may not be alone in our cosmic journey. We may share our solar system with beings of unimaginable intelligence and capability, beings who can manipulate the very fabric of the cosmos. These compelling pieces of evidence leave us teetering on the precipice of belief and skepticism. But like all theories, the RingMakers of Saturn too faces its fair share of criticism. From within the scientific community, astrophysicists propose that natural processes and dynamic interactions could be responsible for the unique features of Saturn's rings. They argue that the RingMakers theory lacks empirical evidence and testable predictions, making it difficult to validate or refute conclusively. Many astronomers and planetary scientists have made attempts to debunk the theory, highlighting discrepancies and inconsistencies in the proposed hypotheses. They point to alternative interpretations, suggesting that what is perceived as anomalous or enigmatic could be explained by our limited understanding of cosmic phenomena. For instance, unusual patterns in the rings might be attributed to gravitational forces and particle interactions, rather than extraterrestrial construction projects. Or the mysterious moving objects could be transient features like dust clouds or ice geysers, rather than alien spacecraft. These challenges to the theory only fuel the debate, adding layers to the enigma that is the RingMakers of Saturn. Despite the critiques, the RingMakers theory continues to resonate in modern times. A resurgence of interest has sparked vibrant subcultures and belief systems that embrace the theory with open arms. It's become a muse for creators, finding representation in literature, film, and popular culture. Online communities are buzzing with debate and speculation, turning the digital sphere into a hotbed of cosmic inquiry. The theory's enduring allure reveals our collective fascination with the possibility of life beyond Earth. As we draw this exploration to a close, let's reflect on what we've uncovered. The RingMakers of Saturn theory, born under the gaze of curious minds, has woven a fascinating tale of cosmic mystery. Despite scrutiny, it persists, echoing in modern discourse, igniting the imagination of dreamers and skeptics alike. Its legacy lies in the questions it raises, pushing us to explore further, to challenge our understanding. As we continue to probe the cosmic unknown, theories like the RingMakers of Saturn remind us of the infinite possibilities that the universe holds. Thank you for joining Rocketeer Realms on this journey. Please like and subscribe if you like the content. It will help grow our channel and allow us to take more journeys.